So a very common question we get asked is, does this cost something? Is the program free or does it cost something? And the simple answer is, it depends. So now, generally speaking, we have programs that cost money. We work on a fee-based approach. And the reason for that is a couple of reasons, but we'll get into that in a second. On the low end of the spectrum, we got a program that's about $700. And on the high end, we have tens of thousands of dollars you could put towards, your program there. So depending on what you're coming in with, depending on what some of your goals and objectives are, depending on what else you're willing to trade as far as your time and commitment and focus, those differences as far as your range of 700 to, tens of thousands of dollars will come into play. The reason why it's not really free, there's not a free option, is because frankly, when people don't have a commitment financially to things, we find from doing this before and offering free mentorship, if you would, to certain individuals, we have found that there has not been a commitment of focus, time, or energy put in by those individuals to take it serious, to the extent that those that would commit financially actually do take it serious, more so than the ones that don't. And in addition to that, a lot of the stuff that's quote unquote free, like the YouTube university type stuff, is really just boiled down, very basic, very high level, not very specific to your particular focus. And this is not any of that. This is really specific to you, specific to your goals and objectives, specific to your current situation, to help you close the gap of where you are today to where you want to go. It's very intensive, and the time it takes for myself and my team to invest into you is something that is really powerful stuff that really, frankly, we don't even charge enough for. And so the value you're going to receive is going to be at least 5 to 10 times the amount of any commitment that you ever give to my company. And that's something that we wholeheartedly commit to for our clients, that you're going to get exceedingly your value on your money put towards whatever program you decide to go with. So if you're specifically, if a specific question about a particular program, how it works, the costs associated, et cetera, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can check out flipmoredeals.com, complete an application. If you're not seeing this video on that website, go ahead and go to that website, flipmoredeals.com. We'll have a conversation. We'll discuss sort of what your goals and objectives are and figure out, which program, if any of the ones that we offer, actually make sense for you. We're not looking to take on every person that submits an application. We're not looking to take on every situation, because frankly, we can't help certain people in certain situations. If you're not willing to put in a little bit of time and also some capital into your business besides your mentorship, then you're most likely not going to succeed. So you have to be okay with that. We're going to talk about it in another video, but I want to share that with you because it's very much relevant. No dollar amount, no time commitment isolated by itself will produce an income that most people are desiring in this business of real estate investing. I hope that helps.